Do you guys remember that dog bed I made?
This one?
It doesn't fit in my place. Therefore, I'm moving. I need to pack up this whole place in 2 days. I'm moving in 2 days. And this is all I've packed. There's a candle, a charger, and 2 sunglasses in here. So plan of attack. I probably should not like pack away, because it is 2 days away. I still need to live here for 2 days, so I'm thinking how I'm going to pack up my whole place in 2 days is work on things that I actually don't need and pack those away first. Like, voila, this pegboard. I'm not gonna be sewing in the next 2 days. I got all my boxes from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. For free! Reduce, reuse, recycle. Very nice lady, by the way. I have a slight addiction to saving plastic bags. This is probably the first time in my life this has actually become really handy, this hoarding trait of mine. Because now I can use these plastic bags for all this stuff. Honestly, I'm low-key kind of nervous what the holes are gonna look like behind this. Because I drilled this a while ago, and I remember it wasn't that smooth, the process. Done. I guess this one's next. This boy is huge. I think I know a faster way. Do you guys remember when I hung all this stuff up? There's a big hole up there. The mirror. So back when I installed these in January, these were the most trickiest thing to install. It was just brutal, and I messed up here. This is the only place I actually messed up in my whole place when doing my whole place, but I know as soon as I take these off, I'm gonna be burdened with regret for putting these up, because there's gonna be like a 45-inch hole. Live, laugh, love. 2 weeks ago, I was on a bike ride and I crashed. This was probably my worst bike crash so far, this one right here, because I even got it a little bit there. And honestly, it was kind of not that bad because it happened at the beginning of my ride, so the rest of the ride, I had a very bloody knee, which, okay, not the best, but I felt cool. I don't know why, I felt tough. The only thing I didn't feel as tough about is the bike crash was me standing at a stoplight and just falling over my bike. My worst bike crash is me standing at a light and falling over. My next goal in life, I'm gonna pack this whole closet. Oh, I forgot about this skirt. I can't wait for a bigger closet. Last rack. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I go to pack and move, I just reminiscent on everything I own. Like, I like to try clothes on, I like to look at clothes, I like to pack it very neat and tidy. It just takes me a long time. Next, we have the kitchen, which honestly, my least favorite part because it's all glass. So that means I have to individually wrap every single piece. Okay, so I almost finished the kitchen, ate some Cheetos, and thought I probably should get these bookshelves done because honestly, using the drill is way more fun than throwing out old food in your cupboard. That could have been a world record for how fast I unscrewed those. Okay, here's the updated status of my place. We have books, roller, books, 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 bed, books, 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 shelf, light, picture, books, books, plants, Benson eating dinner, Jack eating dinner. And that's what my place looks like. The one thing I have not done is this thing, the closet jackets and my bathroom, which, yeah, we do that tomorrow. And then over here, bed, which this is not my bed. This is my landlord's bed, so I actually can leave this. This is nice. I do not like moving beds. That's it. Also, about the closet situation, yes, my closet's empty. Yes, I don't have any clothes for tomorrow or the next day because I'm not moving tomorrow. I'm moving the next day, so I really have to wear this for 3 days straight because I kind of consciously decided to pack everything up and not leave like extra clothes to wear. So I'm gonna be wearing this fit the whole video. It's gonna really stink moving day. Maybe I can wash it in the sink. Anyways, you kittens, I'm gonna skedaddle because honestly I had some very disappointing news today. I went into my putty because I was gonna go fill in all these holes because I'm gonna do that for my landlord because I want to leave the place very nice as I leave. So I was gonna do that, but then when I opened the putty, it was rock hard because there was a crack in it. So I need to go buy a new putty tonight. Bye. Howdy. Come on in. I'm in a pretty good mood because my place does look like it needs a lot of work, but I really don't think it does. I think I can finish this place today because last night I got the putty. I got it. I scraped the walls. I filled in the holes. You can't even see holes in this place anymore. Do you see holes over here? No. Next, now that the walls are done, I fixed that problem. I will get my damage deposit back. I am just gonna pack everything up now. I just noticed this right now. Do you guys see this? Not the tattoo, the tan line. Do you see this cycling jersey tan line? I'm pretty sure once you get a cycling jersey tan line, you're officially on Team Canada. 90% sure from the Reddit article I read. Okay, I gotta focus. First thing, let's wrap up my carpet first. Nice. This is a dirty boy. She's a dirty boy. We gotta protect this at all costs. Guys, you want treats? Sit. Down. 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 Lay down. No, sit. Down. These are just my dog sweaters. I'm so hungry. So please tell me I'm not the only one that, keeps sunscreen from a hotel that you went to 3 years ago. I have been looking for my memory cards for so long. They were under the bathroom sink. I found more boxes. I was able to consolidate some of the boxes I had in my storage locker and get 2 free ones. This one box here because it's really easy to move my plants in, so plant box, a Lego, 2 of these boxes. Okay, Larry, I'm done with moving. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm officially the worst packer because I like to do everything when I'm packing like 60% of the way. Like, it's okay doing the first little bit, but then once you start to get to like the stuff that's not so fun to pack, that's when I jump ship. Like, I really want to jump ship now. Like, I kind of want to be like, Dad, I don't want to move. It's okay. We'll just leave the stuff in boxes. Just leave it as is. Let's go surfing. Watch me turn my life around. I don't know what this bug is, but I'm glad I didn't see it alive. Karma's gonna drag you down, step. Back to work. I probably should put the comforters in here so then I don't have to like throw them on the ground in like the car. Like, I don't get it. How do people only have like 3 boxes of things they own? Like, my comforters alone is a box. My pillows don't even fit. Stay. Can you just work with me and not against me? You know what? There. I worked all day unpacking this and I don't think it looks any better than when I started today. Should we do another updated tour? Here's first set of boxes here on your left-hand side. Over here, we have garbage from things I need to throw because I like to hoard bathroom things. As we enter, we have more boxes, plants, empty boxes, or, you know, semi-empty boxes, beds, dog food, plants, other things. A very messy counter, and then as we get to the bedroom, not too bad actually. It's pretty much dinner time. It's like 5 o'clock. I swear, all I do in life is just look forward to meals. Like, breakfast happens, I'm excited for lunch. Lunch happens, I'm excited for dinner. Dinner happens, I'm like, what am I gonna have tomorrow morning for breakfast? It's just a cycle. I enjoy living. I enjoy eating. Went to my place, got the frickin' key. I have 2 places right now. Not moving in tonight because it's like 8 o'clock, like the sun's going down. Big changes for me, Benson Jack. It's gonna be a great adventure, so stick around to the next episode where I move in and show you guys a place. Live, laugh, love, have a good life, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!